What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It helps our content reach a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, we have a special review. We're going to be reviewing National Business Capital. Now, National Business Capital works with over 75 different lenders that offer a wide variety of different products and services to help small businesses gain access to capital. Now, they offer business lines of credit, business term loans, merchant cash advances, inventory financing. They even offer financing for cannabis related businesses, as well as equipment financing, which we'll get in just a second. Now, the way their process works, you'll apply online. I've posted a link in the description, but anyways, you just fill in your business information. Now, they're not going to be hard pulling you immediately. What they will do is soft pull you, as well as see what type of information and data points you have. So any type of banking activity, as well as your personal credit scores. And from there, they're sort of vetting you to see what programs that you actually qualify among their different lenders. And then during normal business hours, they'll reach back out to you and go over your different options. Anyways, let's jump over to their website. I'll walk you through their different products.
All right, so I just want to give a high-level overview of the different products that National Business Capital provides to their different lenders. First up, you have a business advance. This provides same-day funding. All industries are welcome in 6 to 24-month terms and up to $5 million funded. The qualifications, 1 year time in business, but there's an exception. If you're 6 months time in business and depositing over $50,000 per month, then you would qualify. Otherwise, you need to be showing $25,000 deposited monthly in a business bank account or $300,000 in annual sales. And there's absolutely no minimum FICO score. So this is just looking at the business. Then you also have a business line of credit. This is unsecured. So they have amounts up to $250,000. The qualifications, 1 year time in business, $25,000 deposited monthly in a business bank account or $300,000 in sales. And this does have a 600 minimum FICO score. They also provide business term loans. So this requires 2 years time in business, $25,000 deposited monthly, and 660 plus FICO, no bankruptcies, liens, or foreclosures in the last 3 years. And they also are certified to administer SBA loans as well. So they have working capital up to 10-year terms, real estate, and they also have approvals within 24 hours. This reports to the Business Credit Bureau. So the business term loan as well as the SBA loan are going to be a little bit harder to get than the business line of credit or the business advance. In addition, they also offer a accounts receivable line of credit as well as an inventory line of credit. So this is a revolving line of credit up to $250,000, rates starting at prime plus 2%, and you can get up to 95% financing of your current accounts receivable. It's a 4 to 7 day application for funding. Now, in terms of the qualifications for the accounts receivables, the minimum $100,000 in open receivables on 30 to 60 day terms, 1 million in annual sales, 1 year time in business, no minimum FICO. And they also have an inventory line of credit, which is very unique. So very similar to the accounts receivable, except it's up to 85% of the inventory liquidation value, 7 to 14 days application to funding, 1 million in current inventory, as well as 1 million in annual sales, 1 year time in business, and no minimum FICO. So the program that I wanted to highlight is going to be the equipment financing program, because this particular program is going to be much easier for a lot of people to qualify for, because they do work with startup businesses with their equipment financing. Rates starting at 6%, longest term out to 5 years, and you can get anywhere from 65 to 100% loan to value depending on the program. You just need 1 year time in business. So the equipment financing program spans across a wide variety of different industries, including construction, cannabis, medical, as well as trucks, trailers, and also manufacturing. Now, the qualifications is a 500 minimum FICO. Your invoice is required for a quote. Now, and I talked about this in another video with commercial vehicle financing. You do need an invoice or a bill of sale in order for the application to be processed. So just keep that in mind as well. But this is a really good program. Now, another benefit I wanted to talk about was the tax benefits. All right, so since we're on the topic of equipment financing, I just wanted to mention one of the great tax advantages when it comes to purchasing equipment for your business. Now, you have what's called Section 179 deduction for 2021. So this is up to $1,050,000. This means U.S. companies can deduct the full price of qualified qualified equipment purchases up to $1,050,000. The deduction includes both new and used qualified equipment. In addition, businesses can take an advantage of 100% bonus depreciation on both new and used equipment for the entirety of 2021. All right, so here's a quick example of the Section 179 deduction. So in this example, you have a company that purchased equipment worth $1.15 million. The first year write-off is going to be $1,050,000 because that's the maximum in 2021. And they also get 100% bonus first year depreciation of $100,000. So here they have a Section 179 tax deduction calculator. You just click this button right here and it shows you what your Section 179 deduction is and what your total first year deduction is. So whether you purchase or lease, this is a great option for businesses that need to purchase equipment because you could use the Section 179 deduction to lower your overall tax liabilities.
All right, so let's recap real quick. So National Business Capital offers a wide variety of different products, including business advances, business term loans, business lines of credit, inventory financing, accounts receivable, cannabis related financing, as well as equipment financing. Now, one of the great advantages with the equipment finances for 2021 is the Section 179 tax deduction, where you can deduct up to $1,050,000 on any new or used equipment that you lease or purchase in 2021. Now, this is a smart way to reduce your tax liability. If you're a business that requires different equipment and machinery to operate, you can get a tax savings in 2021 with the Section 179 deduction. National Business Capital offers business financing. So you pair those two together. This is a great solution. If anyone's interested in applying for any of the products with National Business Capital, I posted links in the description. Now, they're not going to be hard pulling you immediately when you go through the application. Someone will reach out to you and go over your different options, and they can pre-qualify you with a soft pull. But if you do accept any of the offers, there will be a hard pull. So just keep that in mind. But at least you could reach out, contact them, and see what you do qualify for and go from there. Anyways, that's all I wanted to cover for today's video. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.